Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tiny Talk Time. It's me, Miss Lily, and guess who's here with me today?
Me, Leo. Hi, Miss Lily. Hi, everyone.
That's right, Leo. Today, we're going somewhere special. Can you guess where?
To the park? To the zoo?
Close. We're going to a cafe.
A cafe? Yay! I love cafes. They have yummy cakes and hot chocolate.
That's right. A cafe is a place where people go to eat snacks, drink coffee, and talk with friends. Today's episode is called Fun English Dialogue at the Cafe. We'll learn how to order food and talk politely in English while we enjoy our time at the cafe.
Wow, it smells so good in here.
Yes, it does. Now, let's practice a real conversation. Imagine we just walked in. What do we say first? Hello. Perfect. When you greet someone, you can say hello, or good morning, or good afternoon, depending on the time of day.
Got it. So, good morning.
Great job. Now, when the waiter comes, they usually say, "Can I help you?" or "What would you like to order?"
Ooh, and then I say, I would like, right?
Exactly. That's the polite way to ask. Say it with me. I would like a cup of hot chocolate, please.
I would like a cup of hot chocolate, please.
Wonderful. You sound just like a polite young gentleman.
Thank you. What about you, Miss Lily?
I think I'll have a cup of tea and a slice of cake. So I say, I would like a cup of tea and a slice of cake, please.
I would like a cup of tea and a slice of cake, please.
Excellent pronunciation. Now, let's pretend the waiter brings our order. What do we say?
Thank you.
Yes, always remember to say thank you with a smile. Politeness is very important in English.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Leo. Now, let's talk about some things we can find in a cafe. Ready? Yes. Okay. Repeat after me. Table,
Table,
chair,
chair,
cup,
cup,
plate,
plate,
menu.
menu.
Perfect. You can say the menu is on the table.
The menu is on the table.
Very good. Now, do you see that person working behind the counter? That's the barista.
Barista? What's that?
A barista is the person who makes coffee and hot drinks. You can say, the barista makes my hot chocolate.
The barista makes my hot chocolate.
Excellent. Now, what's your favorite drink at the cafe, Leo?
Hot chocolate with marshmallows.
Yum. That sounds delicious. And what's your favorite food?
Muffins, blueberry muffins.
Oh, I love blueberry muffins too. So you can say, my favorite food is a blueberry muffin.
My favorite food is a blueberry muffin.
Great. Now let's imagine we're talking to the waiter. Ready for a little role play?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be the waiter first. Let's go. Hello. Welcome to Tiny Cafe. What would you like to order?
Hello. I would like a hot chocolate and a blueberry muffin, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, your order will be ready soon. That was perfect, Leo. Now, let's switch roles. You'll be the waiter this time.
Okay. Clears throat, pretending to be serious. Hello. Welcome to Tiny Cafe. What would you like to order?
Oh, thank you. I would like a cup of tea and a slice of chocolate cake, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
Your order will be ready soon.
That was wonderful, Leo. You sounded very professional.
Maybe I'll work at a cafe one day.
I bet you'll be the best barista ever. Now, let's teach our friends some fun expressions we can use at the cafe. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, say it with me. Can I have, used when you want to order something. That looks delicious when you see yummy food. How much is it when you ask for the price? Thank you very much when you're being polite.
Can I have? That looks delicious. How much is it? Thank you very much.
Perfect. Now let's practice them in a little story.
Yay!
Okay, once upon a time, Leo went to the tiny cafe. He saw a big chocolate cake and said,
That looks delicious.
then he asked the waiter.
How much is it?
The waiter smiled and said, it's $5. And Leo said,
Can I have one slice, please?
and when he got it, he said,
Thank you very much.
clapping! That was wonderful! You just used 4 new English sentences like a pro.
I did! I'm learning so much.
You sure are. Now, before we finish, let's do a quick review. Repeat after me. Cup, plate, table, chair, menu, barista, muffin, tea, coffee, hot chocolate.
Cup, plate, table, chair, menu, barista, muffin, tea, coffee, hot chocolate.
Excellent. Now, let's practice a little cafe dialogue together for our friends listening.
Okay.
Hello, Leo. Welcome to the cafe.
Hello, Miss Lily. Thank you.
What would you like to drink?
I would like a hot chocolate, please.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes, I would like a blueberry muffin, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. That was perfect. That's how a real cafe conversation sounds in English.
That was fun. Can we go to a real cafe someday, Miss Lily?
Of course, Leo. But next time, you'll order in English all by yourself.
Deal. I'll say, I would like a hot chocolate and a muffin, please.
That's my boy. You're becoming a real English speaker.
Yay! Thank you, Miss Lily.
You're welcome, Leo. And thank you, dear listeners, for joining us today at Tiny Talk Time. Remember to practice your cafe words and be polite when you order.
And don't forget to smile.
That's right. A smile makes every English sentence sound better. Until next time, my little stars, keep shining, keep learning, and keep speaking English.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you at the next Tiny Talk Time.
Bye-bye.